Hey everybody, this is Kenny Cash from Factory Underground Tech, and today we're going to be discussing some new techniques for dealing with the dreaded car test. So we all know it's always a good idea to be checking out your mixes in your car, and I personally like to check out my mix next to other commercial releases to see how my balance is holding up, how my EQ and compression is comparing to some other commercial mixes. This used to be pretty easy because back in the day, we could always monitor with a burned CD at 16-bit 44.1. But more and more new cars now are not coming with CD players, so it gets a little bit tricky because sometimes you may be monitoring your mix next to something streaming from, let's say, Spotify or Apple Music, and you don't know what happened as far as the conversion or any of the processing that might happen, and even your signal strength can affect the quality of the music that you're listening to. So lately I've been using a site called qobuz, or qobuz, I believe, .com, where you can find high quality files to purchase and download for your use as far as mix references. From there, once you have your files, you can actually airdrop them or send them to your phone. And then what I do is I like to plug in my phone to my car and make sure that I'm monitoring both my high quality mix and my high quality mix reference through the same exact monitoring chain. So you can try this out. I think qobuz has a free monthly trial, and you can download a bunch of mix references, make a bunch of purchases within that month, and use them to help perfect your mix and master.